Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. Next one is string concatenation. So void main char str1 of some size 20 is equal to hello. Next char str2 of 20 is equal to SMR. So str string concatenation concat is the function. This is the target, this is the source. Puts of str1, puts of str2. So what is str1? str1 is array size is 20. Here the memory is allocated for 20 elements. First element is AR of first element, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. So next one is array name is, here the name of an array is SMR str1. str1 is the name of the array. Second array, here the elements is, so first element is H, next element is E, next element is L, next element is L, next element is O. Next one is null character, and so on, all are null characters. So this is also null character, so this is also null character, and so on, all are null characters. Next str2 array size is 20. The memory is allocated for 20 elements. First element is S, M, R. Next one is null character. So S, M, R. Next one is null character. Null character ASCII value is 0. Here the name of array is str2. str2. So str1 gives the base address of an array. Here you have to take the addresses. Here I am taking the address is 500. Next address is 501. Next address is 502. Next address is 503. Next address is 504. Next address is 505 and so on. 506, 506, 507 and so on. 508. Here I am taking the base address is 600. Next address is 601. Next address is 602. Next address is 603 and so on. So what is str1? So please remember, this is the source. This is the source. This one is the target. That means str2 is copied into str1. What is str1? str1 is 500 is copied, str2 is 600. So here the str2 is source, str1 is target. Now we have to copy this string is concatenate to this string. First here you have to, what is str1? str1 is 500. First you have to move this pointer up to the null character. str1 is H, 500 is H. not equal to null, condition true, yes. No, we have to move the pointer. Next E, yes, non-zero, true. Now we have to move the pointer 502. So this one is L, not equal to null, yes, not equal to 0, yes, we have to move the pointer. Next one is L, not equal to 0, true. Now we have to move the pointer. Next O, not equal to 0, yes, condition true. Now we have to move the pointer. So first we have to move this pointer up to the null character. Now we are moving this one pointer to up to the last one. Next, what is str2? This is the source. Now we have to copy it. str2 is what? 600. Now we are copied this 600 value into this value. Now this one is, this null character is replaced with S. Next we have to move the pointer. Next we have to move this pointer to this one. Next we have to move this pointer to 601. Now we have to copy this M into this location. Now this one is replaced with M. Next we have to move this pointer to next address. Next move this pointer to next address. Now we have to copy this R value into this location. Now we have to copy R. Next we have to increment this pointer to next address. We have to increment this pointer to this one. Now we have to copy this value into this location. So this value is null character 0. So this is continued up to the null character. Now str2 is copied into str1. Now puts str1. What is str1? Hello SMR. Next, what is str2? SMR. So here there is a function called str concat of target. Target is str1, source is str2. To run this code, Alt F9, yes. This function is available in string.h header file. You have to include that one. Hash include stdio string string.h header file. Next, you have to write these functions without using string handling functions, without using string concat. You have to write our own. Okay, that's why here I am explaining every step by step. Next, same. We have to take these pointers and assign this, move this pointer to up to the null character and concatenate str2 pointer value into str1. That's why here I am explaining everyone step by step how it is takes place. So Alt F9, yes, Control F9, str1 is str concat. So function name is strcat. So concatenate function name is strcat. So Alt F9, yes, Control F9, Alt F5. str1 is hello SMR, SMR. So this is also the function name is strcat. Okay. So next one is next here I want to save this file save as at desktop 1.png is okay. So next one is string concatenate strcat is the function name. So this is the source, this one is the target. So this one is the target, this one is the source. Here I am giving str1 plus 2. With the function name is string concat strcat of source, target and source str1 plus 2 comma str2. So first here giving str1 comma str2 plus 2 semicolon. So now str1 is the source, str1 is the target. First you have to move the str1 up to null character. Here the str1 is 500, move this one to up to the null character. So move to this one, next 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 you have to move to up to the null character. Yes. Next what is str2? str2 is 600 plus 2 means 602. Now you have to source is 602 to up to null character. Now here you have to move this value to here. Now this value is replaced with small r. Next you have to move this pointer to this location, this pointer to this location. Next you have to move null character to null character. So what is now the target is hello r. So next what is puts of str2 is 600, this is the SMR. Now we have to string concat of str1 str2 plus 2. So str1 is hello, str2 is SMR. Here I am copying from str2 plus 2. Now r is concat to hello. So hello r, alt F9, yes, control F9, alt F5. So hello r, next one is SMR. Next here I am giving here I am writing string concatenate strcat, string concat of, here I am writing str1 plus 2 comma str2. So str1 is 500 plus 2 means 502. Now our address is 502. You have to, this one is the source. Here you have to concat str2 to str1. Now first you have to move this str, first target pointer is move to up to the null character. You have to move this one, next move to this location, next move to this location. Next str2 is 600. Now you have to copy this s value here. So this one is yes. Next increment the pointer. Next you have to increment this one is to this location, increment this one. Now you have to copy m into this location. This value should be replaced with small m. Next increment this pointer. So increment this pointer into this location, increment this pointer. Now this value is copied here. Now this value should be replaced with r. Now I have to increment the pointer. So increment this pointer to this location, pointing to this one. Now this value is copied into this location. Now this value should be null character. So null character ASCII value is 0. So what is str1? str1 is hello SMR. So hello SMR. What is it? str2? str2 is SMR. So to run this code, so str1 plus 2 comma str2. So alt F9, yes, control F9, so alt F5. So hello SMR and SMR. This is a string concatenation. So please remember, this one is the source, this one is the source, this one is the target. First you have to move the target pointer to up to the null character and then concat the str2 to str1 string. So still you any doubts? Please refer once again. Thank you for watching.